Today, we get more details regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and Samsung is partnering with other to give the best possible experience with Galaxy S23 Ultra. And we also get the new benchmarks of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per recent leaked benchmark scores, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 12GB of RAM. We all know about this, but it is now confirmed. Also, Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 1495 single-core score and 4647 multi-core score. Although these benchmark scores are way less than expected because the normal Snapdragon Gen 2 scores over 5000 mark. But this processor is overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on the normal Snapdragon Gen 2. Either Samsung optimized this in a way or we just get these numbers on S23 Ultra. Benchmarks are not always perfect, but user experience is what matters, and Samsung worked on this with the new software One UI 5.1. Let me know in the comments, are you guys okay with the benchmarks of Galaxy S23 Ultra? Now that we know Samsung worked on One UI 5.1 for Galaxy S23 Ultra, which will be based on Android 13, but did you guys know that Samsung started working with third-party apps including TikTok, Snapchat and Instagram to provide the best possible camera features? Now, if you download a video from any of these platforms, your video quality or image quality will not decrease. This was requested from majority of the users, and Samsung listened to them and gave this feature to us. Now that you know Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with 12GB of RAM, and you guys should be happy that Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 256GB as a base model, and there will be 3 storage options: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB version. And other models of Galaxy S23 lineup will also going to see 256GB storage option as a base model, which is amazing. There's also some more details regarding the new display on all 3 models of Galaxy S23 series, where S23 Ultra will going to come with LTPO 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, which can go from 1Hz to 120Hz, whereas S23 Plus and S23 will going to come with dynamic AMOLED display, but they can only go from 48Hz to 120Hz. Where S23 comes with 6.1 inches display and S23 Plus will going to come with 6.6 inches display. Samsung planned to launch S23 series on the 1st of Feb, and phones will hit the market after a week or so. If you guys are interested in pre-order deals, then Samsung is going to offer some great pre-order deals on all models of Galaxy S23 series. If you guys want to see the real official look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.